Hi, I'm Joanne Risden with Smart Image Media. Today I'm going to talk about brand promise, both your personal and business brand promise. What a brand promise is something that you are committing to do for your client over and over and over again really well. A lot of people take their brand promise and include it in their tagline, if your tagline's specific enough on what you do. And so people like to see results. So your brand promise needs to have something with a result in it. Our tagline is broaden your impact. Now we do that for both business and personal brand. So your brand promise needs to be something that you're going to do and say, hey, I'm going to do this for you. So if it's something like Energizer Bunny, and I've used this before, I think it's on my homepage video, but I love their thing because it's their little tagline, because it's a brand promise and it's so simple. They say they keep going and going and going. So a brand promise is something that their battery is going to keep working for you, and you even tie it in with the little Energizer Bunny. As far as their overall brand, which brings me to something else, and I'm going to sidetrack a little bit, is that sometimes your overall brand isn't just a logo. It's not, it's all of the above. Your logo is what people attach the experience to, but it's also the colors that are combined and consistent throughout your brand, and how everything reads, and that there's a consistent message verbally and also in writing. So when you create that experience, then you attach it to your brand promise. So everything reflects your brand promise. And so when we say we're going to broaden your impact, you're going to go to our website, and it's going to talk about how we help you broaden your impact. That's our brand promise. I'll do these educational video blogs. That's part of our brand promise to help you at no additional cost to you. But because we care about business and small business. Also think it's the future of the United States. But so let's talk about any kind of your brand promise. What is it? What are you committing after you've identified your target audience, after you created an experience? What are you promising them in the solution that you are bringing to the marketplace that you can deliver on over and over again for every single client that you're drawing in? That's a brand promise. Take care.